Hi, my name is Zayma.
Hi, my name is Fatia.
And my name is Miss Wisha. Anyways, have you guys ever wondered what the Vastworth theory is?
No, can you further explain?
I know.
Well, I don't.
Well, the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is a model used in chemistry to predict the geometry of individual molecules from the number of electron pairs surrounding their center atoms.
Huh? What she meant to say in short is that the Vastworth theory helps us predict the shape of the molecule.
Oh, that makes much more sense. The Vastworth theory consists of 6 molecular shapes, including linear, bent,
Trigonal planar,
Tetrahedral,
and the T-shape.
Anyways, back to the subject. Eyes on Miss Wisha here. What is a trigonal planar?
Trigonal planar is a molecular shape that results when there are 3 bonds and no lone pairs around the central atom in the molecule.
The pairs are arranged along the central atoms with 120-degree angles between them.
Exactly. Also, it happens in group 3 or 13. Did you guys know that boron is an exception because it likes to have only 3 bonds or 6 valence electrons?
I knew that.
Well, you didn't.
Mrs. Wisha, what's polarity?
Well, Mrs. Fancy Zayma, polarity is the unequal sharing of electrons. Based on the molecular structure of the shape, we decide whether it's polar or nonpolar. Polar molecules are unequal sharing of electrons. Nonpolar molecules are even sharing electrons.
Basically, polar molecules are asymmetrical and non-polar molecules are symmetrical.
Polar has lone pairs in the center. For example, trigonal pyramidal T-shape and bent molecules all have lone pairs in the center. Therefore, they're all polar.
Examples of nonpolar include linear,
Trigonal planar,
And tetrahedral.
but those aren't always nonpolar because it's varies within the bond type.
A molecule can possess polar bonds and still be nonpolar.
The electron The electronegativity difference of polar is 0.4 through 2.0. The electronegativity for nonpolar is 0 to 0.4.
Guys, this isn't funny. Let's get back to the subject. Okay, so what's trigonal planar and why is the trigonal shape the way it is?
Well, the trigonal planar wants to evenly distribute apart with 120 degrees to make the 3 bonds having no lone pairs in the middle. It tends to avoid, and in some instances, the central atom can have 6 valence electrons instead of 8.
Yup, that's right. And BH3, boron belongs, for example, BH3, boron belongs in group 3. This molecule is electron deficient and does not follow the octet rule because it only has 6 valence electrons. The hydrogen atoms are as far possible as the possible.
Miss Wisha, what's wrong with you?
I'm human too, Zayma. Shut up. Okay, anyways, what I was saying was the hydrogen atoms are as far apart as possible at 120 degrees.
Okay, Grandma, if the center atom have 6, then that means the molecule will form double or triple bonds. For example, sulfur trioxide will have 3 double bonds between the central atoms since it can't have any lone pairs.
Wow, this makes much more sense.
Yeah, it really does. Indeed.
Sit down! Where are you guys going? I dismiss you, not the bell. Now you guys have to stay 1 more minute. Who's the grandma now, Zayma?
Miss Wisha.
Shut up!
Bye, Miss Wisha.
Bye, Miss Wisha.
See you guys tomorrow. Get out of my class.
Created using Powtoon.